What's going on, my fellow jewelers? Happy New Year. So glad to be back. So I have been super into resin lately. I don't know if you saw this video right here. Yes, this video. It was the first time I ever did resin. I did in front of y'all, made a fool of myself, hated it, loved it, but in the end, I totally love the product and have fallen in love with the process. So I'm super into resin, been doing it ever since. And so when Nbeads contacted me, Nbeads.com, you gotta check them out. When they contacted me and said, hey, we will give you $35 of free product if you do 3 videos for us. I checked their website out. Check it out. Look at this. Ooh, and I found some resin, y'all, and I was super excited. So I spent pretty much all my money on resin product, and this is what came in the mail. You ready? This is what just came in. Oh my gosh. So much stuff came in. I am super excited to show you, to unbox for you. It is fabulous, y'all. But before we get started, before I unbox for you and show you everything I got, make sure you subscribe my channel and click that bell to get notifications, because I'm all about the how-tos of jewelry making, especially some resin right now. So you and me, let's get started. Oh my goodness, look at everything that I got. This is amazing. Now, if you see anything that you want to get the same as me, I will put all the links for each one of the product in the description below. So go ahead, check those out. Let me get started with what I got. So I got a ton of molds. I am so new to the whole resin thing that I'm like, I want to get as many molds as possible within my budget, plus some foil. And so I even went outside my jewelry making kind of resin. I got, this is so funny. This is actually for a bookmarker. This is for a dog tag. I thought it'd be so cute to make a dog tag or do something, right? And then this is also like for a keychain. Look at this. It is a mermaid tail. I'm so excited to do stuff with that mermaid tail. I thought I could use these for jewelry, but I don't even know anymore because there's no really holes and I'm afraid a drill wouldn't work. But these are snowflakes. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have so much fun making snowflake resin pieces. And then this is a beehive, like the honeycomb, and I thought I could make it like for a keychain or something. I don't know. I'm just super excited about that. And then these are pendants. Look at these. I have a round pendant, a teardrop pendant, an oval one, and this, when you get it out of it, it looks like a gem. It looks like this beautiful jewel. And so I'm super excited. I got 2 in one little package. And then this, I don't know if you ever had it, but when I was little, there were these necklaces that were best friend necklaces, and you would take them apart and give it to one of your best friends, and I had one. And so this is a resin mold for like a best friend necklace or a pen. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And then these earrings. Oh, so excited to have a mold for earrings. This is for a bracelet, but I think my hand is too big, so it'd be for a smaller person. Not a kid, but just a smaller person than me. And so those are my molds. Oh my God. And then my cylinder. I forgot about my cylinder. I have my cylinder molds. So I have like a square cylinder. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 size cylinder. I have a square, another square one. I have a diamond one. I have a circle one, and I have kind of like another diamond one. And so these are my cylinders. I'm hoping to make these into bracelets and show you guys later. But anyway, these are my molds, and I can't believe how many molds I got for within my budget. I'm super excited. And then I had to get foil. I'm obsessed with foil right now. I'm super excited to show you next video how to make this beautiful foil resin pendant. Oh my gosh, people are going crazy. Not a lot, but a lot of my friends are going crazy about the new earrings I've been making that has to do with foil. So this is all the foil I got. I got some doubles because it was such a good price. I couldn't help myself. So I got some cereal. I got some silver foil. I got some really kind of like light gold foil, and then some darker gold foil. I got some, I didn't see this before on any other place, but I have colored foil. Look at this dark purple, this really bright pink, and this vibrant blue. Oh my gosh, look at all these foils. I can't wait to use it. I got, so again, $35 with shipping included. I'm super excited for all the stuff I got to make resin pieces. So stay tuned on what I'm about to make in the next 2 videos. Oh my word, was that not a lot of product they sent me for not very much money? Shipping included, come on y'all, that is amazing. Also, in the description below, I have a coupon for you, so go check that out. You can get some money off of your next purchase at Nbeads.com. Check out their website, check it all out. And not only do they have resin stuff, they have other beading supplies, they have beads, they have findings, they have all that good stuff, so go ahead and check them out. Also, check me out on my Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest Pinterest. I am showing on a weekly basis stuff I am making and stuff I'm excited about. And then make sure you tune in for the next 2 videos. I will be doing some resin with the stuff I got from Nbeads. I'm gonna be doing, oh my gosh, I have this pendant. It's like foil on it and it's beautiful, and I've been getting a lot of order for this specific technique, so I'm super excited to show you my next 2 videos, but you better stay tuned. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!